Have you ever thought about scheduling your tax return? Well, let me explain what I'm talking about, and really there's a lot of advantages to this. So we all know that January 1st comes, and we have to wait until we get our documents, but after January 1st, we start getting a lot of those documents that we need to give to our accountant. And then a lot of times people will procrastinate, and you know how time just happens to go on. So then February comes, March comes, and all of these dates, we just keep moving closer and closer to the date, April 15th in most years. And so by April 15th, you have to have your tax return filed and your payments made if you owe money or you get a refund back. What I want to talk to you about is scheduling your tax return. And what I mean by that is once you get all your documents, so let's say during this time you're being mailed your documents, and so you receive all of those, then come February 1st, you're actually ready to meet with your accountant. Well, one great thing is that you can actually get your tax return done. So getting your return completed, so we're just gonna say right here, we get the return completed, we give everything to our accountant, they get back to us, and let's say that you actually do owe more money. So if you owe more money, the great thing is that now up here, you actually have all of this time to save for that. So if you don't have money set aside because you were surprised that you owe, now you have a couple months where you can set that money aside, you can save it, and before April 15th, you can actually pay these online. So and what I mean by scheduling this is you've gotten your return done, you know the result, so you didn't procrastinate until April 10th to even find out what the result is, and now you have to pay the bill. But instead, you got your return completed, you know what the result is, and now you have time to set money aside if you need to. You can pay online, you can mail a check, whatever you need to do to pay that bill, but you have time, and so you don't have to be anxious, you don't have to worry, what is the result going to be by waiting and waiting? Get your return filed, have your accountant complete that. You'll be helping your accountant because they're helping you get things done quicker, and you're helping yourself because if you need time to set aside money and pay that bill, now you have it rather than being surprised at the last minute. Or if you complete your return and you get money back, now you've gotten that sooner too. So if we can be helpful, please reach out. We're happy to do this, but we want you to know you have options and you can schedule your tax return.